In today's lesson, we are going to see the divisions of the Bible. The two main divisions of the Bible are the Old Testament and the New Testament. In the Old Testament, we have 39 books, and in the New Testament, we have 27 books. The subdivisions of the Old Testament are Law 5 books, History 12 books, Poetry 5 books, Prophecy 17 books. That is, the major prophets 5 and the minor prophets 12. In the New Testament, we have 27 books, 4 gospel books, 1 history book, and 21 epistles. In the 21 epistles, we have 13 Pauline epistles and 8 general epistles and 1 prophecy book. Now we'll see the divisions in detail. Old Testament, we have the Law, 5 books. It is also called this Pentateuch. The 5 books are Genesis, Exodus, Leviticus, Numbers, and Deuteronomy. Then History. In history, we have these 12 books: Joshua, Judges, Ruth, 1 Samuel, 2 Samuel, 1 Kings, 2 Kings, 1 Chronicles, 2 Chronicles, Ezra, Nehemiah, and Esther. In poetry, we have 5 books: Job, Psalms, Proverbs, Ecclesiastes, and Song of Solomon or Song of Songs. Then in prophets, we have major prophets, 5 major prophets: Isaiah, Jeremiah, Lamentations, Ezekiel, and Daniel. In the minor prophets, we have 12 books: Hosea, Joel, Amos, Obadiah, Jonah, Micah, Nahum, Habakkuk, Zephaniah, Haggai, Zechariah, and Malachi. Then comes the New Testament. As I've already told you, we have 27 books in the New Testament. First is the Gospel books, 4 Gospels: Matthew, Mark, Luke, and John. Then 1 history book, Acts of the Apostles. Then epistles. In epistles, totally 21 epistles are there. In that, first 13 are Pauline epistles. I'll read it for you. Romans, 1 Corinthians, 2 Corinthians, Galatians, Ephesians, Philippians, Colossians, 1 Thessalonians, 2 Thessalonians, 1 Timothy, 2 Timothy, Titus, and Philemon. Then the 8 general epistles are Hebrews, James, 1 Peter, 2 Peter, 1 John, 2 John, 3 John, and Jude. And finally, we have the prophetical book, Revelation. In today's lesson, we saw the divisions of the Bible and also the subdivisions.